Did you know the Lockout, Tagout protocol is a safety measure implemented to safeguard workers during the maintenance or repair of machinery or equipment? This protocol comprises two primary components, Lockout and Tagout. The Lockout component involves the use of a lockout device, such as a padlock, to secure the energy isolating device, thereby preventing the equipment from being energized or operated. On the other hand, the Tagout component entails attaching a tagout device, a tag to the equipment, serving as a warning to employees against using the equipment. The implementation of LOTO procedures in planned maintenance work is instrumental in preventing accidents and injuries. These procedures isolate energy sources and ensure the proper shutdown of equipment before maintenance or servicing work commences. This precaution helps to avert accidental startups, releases of stored energy, and other potential hazards, thereby mitigating the risk of employee accidents and injuries. Lockout, Tagout procedures offer clear guidelines and standardized processes that streamline maintenance operations, reduce downtime, and minimize equipment damage or malfunctions. These procedures foster a safety culture by informing all personnel about potential hazards and safety measures associated with specific equipment or machinery. In conclusion, Lockout-Tagout procedures are a critical aspect of workplace safety, particularly during planned maintenance work. They play a pivotal role in protecting workers and enhancing overall operational efficiency. Hi, I'm AI Edward. Follow us for more tips. EPI, protecting your interest.